Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best audio mixers under $100 available on the market that deliver outstanding performance without breaking the bank. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on their popularity, features, build quality, ease of use, and price-to-performance ratio. If you want to see more information and updated prices, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews like this. All right, let's dive straight into it. At number 5, we have the Kuidia 2-channel stereo audio mixer, an ultra-budget option that delivers simplicity and functionality for just $23.99. This mini mixer is perfect for those who need a compact solution to combine stereo sound from 2 channels into one output. Its standout feature is the metal casing, which not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability. The aluminum alloy housing is treated with anodization and sandblasting techniques, giving it a premium feel despite its low price point. Measuring just 1.3 times 1.1 times 0.43 inches, this device is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, making it a great choice for portability. Performance-wise, the Kuidia mixer excels in providing clean audio with minimal distortion, thanks to its ground loop noise suppression and total harmonic distortion (THD) as low as 0.001%. This makes it ideal for connecting PCs, laptops, smartphones, and headphones without worrying about interference. However, it lacks phantom power and microphone support, limiting its use for professional recording setups. Overall, this mixer is a great pick for casual users looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution at an unbeatable price. The downside? Its limited functionality and basic features make it unsuitable for more advanced audio setups. Coming in at number 4 is the new Baxis 4-channel DJ audio mixer, which strikes a solid balance between affordability and features at $29.99. This mixer is geared toward DJs and casual streamers who need wireless audio capabilities and versatile input options. One of its key highlights is the built-in Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to stream music directly from devices like smartphones or tablets. It also features an integrated MP3 player that supports USB and flash drives, making it a great choice for parties, small events, or casual studio sessions. The sealed rotary controls and ultra-musical 3-band EQ provide excellent sound customization while ensuring durability against dust and grime. While its performance is reliable for basic DJ setups, the mixer does have some drawbacks. Its plastic build feels less premium compared to higher-end models, and the 4-channel configuration may not be sufficient for those requiring more advanced setups. Additionally, while it supports phantom power, the sound quality can feel slightly underwhelming for professional recording. That said, the new Baxis 4-channel mixer is a fantastic entry-level option for those looking to dip their toes into DJing or streaming without spending a fortune. At number 3, we have the Cashin Professional DJ Audio Mixer, which ups the ante with its professional-grade features at a competitive price of $47.49. This 4-channel mixer is perfect for DJs, music enthusiasts, and content creators who need versatile connectivity and reliable performance. Its standout feature is its universal compatibility with devices such as laptops, smartphones, and flash drives, addressing common issues found in older mixers. The built-in Bluetooth technology allows for seamless wireless audio streaming, while the USB and MP3 inputs offer additional playback options. The mixer also boasts a plus 48-volt phantom power button, making it suitable for condenser microphones and guitar inputs. The ultra-low noise design ensures clean and professional-grade audio output for live performances or studio recordings. While the Cashin mixer delivers solid performance, the build quality could be improved. The plastic construction feels less durable than metal alternatives. Additionally, users have noted that operational errors can lead to sound issues, although the brand provides excellent customer support to address these concerns. Overall, this mixer is ideal for intermediate users looking for a feature-rich solution without stepping into premium price territory. Landing at number 2 is the Pupcus Gaming Audio Mixer, priced at $39.99. This mixer stands out for its unique gaming-oriented features and versatility, making it a favorite among streamers and podcasters. The Pupcus mixer comes equipped with a professional preamplifier and 48-volt phantom power to deliver crystal-clear audio quality, especially when paired with an XLR microphone. Gamers will appreciate the 6 voice-changing modes and 4 customizable sound pads, which add creativity and fun to streams or recordings. The intuitive interface, complete with independent volume faders for 4 channels, ensures effortless control, while the instant mute and zero latency monitoring features help avoid live mishaps. Its compact design and wide compatibility with laptops, smartphones, and PCs make it a versatile choice for various setups. However, the lightweight construction might not feel as robust as some competitors, and the sound effects may lean more toward casual use rather than professional applications. Overall, the Pupcus gaming audio mixer is perfect for gamers, streamers, and casual creators who want to enhance their content with dynamic audio features. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the new Baxis 6-channel DJ Bluetooth controller sound mixer. At $76.99, this premium option offers unparalleled flexibility and professional-grade features for DJs, studio engineers, and content creators. With 6 XLR mic line inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB interface, this mixer is built to handle complex setups with ease. The FX processor and effects adjustment features allow for dynamic audio transformations, making it an excellent choice for live performances and advanced studio work. The ultra-thin design and rugged chassis ensure durability and portability, while the high-accuracy LED indicators and sealed rotary controls provide precise adjustments. Performance-wise, the new Baxis mixer delivers crystal-clear audio with minimal distortion, thanks to its ultra-low noise design. Its real-time monitoring feature and versatile channel configurations make it ideal for professionals requiring fine-tuned control over their mixes. While its price is higher than other models on this list, the robust feature set and build quality more than justify the investment. Perfect for ambitious creators and seasoned professionals, this mixer offers everything you need to elevate your audio game. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions about these audio mixers or need help deciding which one suits you best, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.